Hey, if you are new to Forex trading, it might feel confusing at first. All those charts, leverage, strange words and emotions getting in the way. But here's the truth. Anyone can learn how to trade as long as you start with the basics. Let's break it down. Forex is short for Foreign Exchange Market. It's the biggest financial market in the world. Every day people trade trillions of dollars here. You're trading one currency against another, like euro to dollar or pound to yen. You can trade not only currency pairs, but also indices and commodities. One cool thing about Forex is that it's open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. So no matter where you live or what your schedule looks like, you can find time to trade. Another reason many people start with Forex is because you don't need a lot of money to begin. Unlike stocks or futures, you can start with just small amount of capital. Even a few $100 and laptop with internet is enough to begin. But that doesn't mean you will get rich quick. In fact, without proper knowledge, it's easy to lose money. That's why education is super important. Before you ever place your first trade, you need to understand some basics. For example, what is lot? How does leverage work? What are stop loss and take profit? What does a spread mean? So knowing this stuff is essential. Many traders keep learning because they want fast results, and that's usually when the biggest losses happen. Once you got the basics down, it's time to learn technical analysis, reading charts. You'll want to understand trends, support resistance levels and candlestick patterns. This will help you where the price might go next. But don't forget fundamental analysis too. That means watching important news like interest rate decisions from central banks, inflation reports or data job. These things move the markets, and if you understand them, you can make better decisions. After that, you need a strategy, a plan. You should know when to enter the market, when to exit and how much to risk. Trading without a strategy is like gambling, but with a smart, tested plan, you can treat trading like a real business. And no, your strategy doesn't have to be perfect or always right. Just need to give you a small, consistent edge over time. That's how real traders win. You can start testing your strategy on demo account. It's like practice. You are not risking real money, but you are still learning. And again, education is everything. The more time you spend learning, testing and improving, the faster you will grow. Remember, trading is a process. You don't need to make thousands right away. Focus on getting better step by step. Now let's talk about emotions. This is a huge part of trading. You have to learn the patience, discipline and how to stick to your plan, even if the market is moving fast. Most big mistakes come from reacting too quickly or letting fear and greed take over. One more tip, don't try to do this alone. Trading can feel lonely, especially in the beginning. That's why we created a community on Discord just for traders. There you will find daily market analysis, trade ideas, education channels, live sessions, help from mentors, and a bunch of traders like you want to grow and succeed. If that sounds good, check out the link in description to join us. Trading isn't a sprint, it's a marathon, but with the right mindset, good education and the support of the great community, it can really be worth it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the subscribe button and don't miss the next one. See you on Discord.